Okay, yes, this is my garage.
My new Ferrari.
Yeah, life ain't too bad. If I complain at some point this week, somebody kick me in the... Yeah. Wouldn't have thought 25 or 30 years ago this was what my garage would look like. Crazy, man. All right, my cool garage is about to diminish by some. It will not be quite as cool as it was before. But that's all right.
Yes.
For a beaut.
No one knew the stuff was here anyway.
Hey, I know, and that's all that matters.
It's all that matters.
Yeah. For a few brief shining moments that was here in Camelot. Except I've got you taking your pants off over there.
No, I'm not taking my pants off. I'm just stuffing my shirt in the trunk. I'm just going to pop the trunk again.
So these are the new... What are they?
Silicon carbide.
Silicon carbide
Rotors.
rotors.
Yeah, I think I'm the only F430 guy in the country that has these on a street car.
Yeah.
The only one.
They're race discs
They're
otherwise.
race rotors.
Yeah.
They don't wear at all, ever. See, the problem with the stock ceramics is they're made like particle board. And if that surface gets compromised, the same thing happens to the PCC discs on the Porsche.
Yeah.
Same thing.
They delaminate.
Once that surface gets compromised, that disc immediately fails. I mean, instantaneously fails.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing underneath it. That hard surface on the stock disc is only is only half a millimeter thick.
Right.
So it doesn't take much to compromise the disc. Now on street use they're okay, but boy, you trick them on the track, and they definitely show their weaknesses. All right, see if it runs.
Okay.
It always does this. Now it'll start perfectly. It always does this. See? Perfect.
There, now it's running. Probably got a few air bubbles in the line or something.
Whatever. But it does that every single time.
All right, I got to move a car here. There's some fleet vehicles out here in the way of things.
Well, I'm clear.
Yeah, you made it.
Yep. So I'll see you when I see you.
All right.